Hello and welcome back to App Hacks. Today we're going to be learning what to do when your WhatsApp account has been banned. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. So you try to open your WhatsApp application and on your interface it reads, "This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam." Here's how to fix this. First, long press on your WhatsApp application, then go to App Info. After that, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see the Clear Data option. You tap on it, tap on Clear All Data, confirm that you want to clear all data. And now remember that all your chats, all your shared images will be removed when you clear all data. Once you've done that, you reopen your WhatsApp application, continue with English, tap on Agree and Continue. Now, before moving ahead with this process, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the three dotted icon that appears on the top right corner and then tap on Help. After that, you tap on "This doesn't answer my question" button that appears on the bottom of your screen, which will lead you to Contact Support. In this, you are going to enter your screenshots in which it says that this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Basically, you're going to screenshot that interface and enter it here. Tap on the plus icon, allow WhatsApp to access photos and media on your device, and insert the screenshot that you've taken of the interface. After that, you go ahead and describe your problem and how you want them to unban your WhatsApp account. You're going to describe your problem as such, and do not forget to enter your phone number while at it. After that, you tap on Next. After waiting a while, you'll be given the option of opening it with email. You simply select the email option. You will be redirected to your Gmail, where it will include the screenshots that you've included along with the report that you've sent. After that, you simply send the email to the support of WhatsApp and they'll get back to you within a certain amount of time. The next thing to do is go ahead and go to the top right corner of your screen, again on the three dotted icon, again on Help. After that, again on "This doesn't answer my question." Now at the bottom left corner, you can see "Visit our help center." You tap on it, then you'll be redirected to WhatsApp's help center, where you're gonna go and on the search bar and type "About Removal of Account Ban." Tap on the first link that appears. As you can see, it says that if you think your account was banned by mistake, please email us or tap a "Request a review" in the app and we'll look into your case. So you've sent the email to WhatsApp. Now you're gonna go ahead and scroll down and then you can see the Contact Us option. You tap on it. After that, simply tap on the Contact Us option that appears on WhatsApp Messenger support. You're going to repeat the same thing over here. You're going to enter your phone number, choose the country you're from, enter your phone number. After that, enter the email address. Now make sure that this is the same email address that you've just sent the email with. After that, you confirm your email address and now select the device from which you use WhatsApp. I use mine from Android, so I select Android option. Now in the message, I'm going to go ahead and copy the same mail that I've sent to WhatsApp support and paste it over here. After that, I simply tap on the Next Step button that appears on the bottom of my screen. Finally, you'll send the report to WhatsApp support and WhatsApp support will get back to you within a certain amount of time. If this is your first time, then WhatsApp account may get back to you within. However, if your account has been banned frequently, then it may take up to 3 or 5 months to respond back to you. And this is how you can solve your issue due to which you haven't been able to use WhatsApp. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.